Basically, it's a major maintenance and repair project. These houses vary between 40 and 50 years old. This particular house was built in the 1960s, and it was in great need of rehabilitation. Most of these houses were identified through the Safe Housing Initiative as having either a lead or asbestos exposure hazard, which we needed to address for safe and health issues for the tenants. We wanted to remodel the interior. That gave us the opportunity to upgrade the interiors and also the electrical systems, which did not have AFCI arc fault protection. We also want to provide a comfortable home environment, so when people come home, they can rest and get ready for their next mission. Well, we know it's a cold and windy location. What we wanted was to upgrade the siding to give the much better curb appeal. We've gone to fiber cement, and I think it's given us a much better appearance. The other thing is instead of using wood trim, we've gone to using plastic trim, which doesn't require painting and it won't rot. So we're thinking we've got much more durable materials on this house that'll last a long time.
When it comes to structural safety in buildings, and occupancy is basically the loads that comes with the weights of the structure. So we have typically look for two types of loads: the gravity loads that just goes down, and then the lateral loads from environmental events such as earthquake, winds that hits the buildings from the sides or shakes the building from the foundation. And this is the kind of type of analysis or evaluations that we like to keep the occupants safe.
The weather's hard on the houses out here. We've got a great deal of rain. We live in a temperate rainforest, and it has a significant impact on the houses. I think you look good, you feel good, you're going to do good. Having a nice place to come home to, it feels good, and a place you can call home. And after 8 hours underway on the boat and some of the weather that we're at here, you can come home and separate from work and relax and spend time with your family.